Is it time for the show? I'm waiting.
Oh yes, it's time for the show of 7C to begin.
Then what are we waiting for?
Christmas?
Leave it. Drum rolls, please. Then let the show begin. Everyone, get ready fast. We have people coming from Tamil Nadu.
வானம் ஒன்றே வையம் ஒன்றே வானம் ஒன்றே வையம் ஒன்றே வாழ்க வாழ்க எங்கள் தேசம் ஒன்றே ஜாதிகள் வேறே சமயங்கள் வேறே பாஷை வேறே மக்கள் பண்பு ஒன்றே.
Tamil Nadu, as well, in the crown of India's cultural heritage, is a vibrant testament to the country's rich traditions. And also, this state is an experiences of the graceful Bharatanatyam dance.
Not only Bharatanatyam, the state has its own delights. Speaking of which, I'm feeling hungry. Come, let's go to eat some dosa and vada.
Hey, it's not dosa or vada, it's dosai vade. But we forgot about God.
Let's go to the temple.
Which temple?
Let's go to the famous Mother Meenakshi temple. Now, we have people coming from Rajasthan.
A canvas of desert splendors and royal heritage.
Rajasthan, a realm of kings and deserts, is a place where history and culture converges in a spectacular display. The camel rides.
चुप रह जानी कैमल कौन होवे ऊंट होवे ऊंट
Yeah, whatever.
The Pushkar Camel Fair.
Oh, that market.
No, it's a festival that celebrates the essence of Rajasthani culture. Rajasthan is also the home for the graceful Ghumar dance, which is celebrated all across India. It is also home to the culinary delights like dal bati churma, ghevar, etc.
Now I'm craving of a dal bati churma.
Watch out, the sandstorm is coming.
Let's go to the state which is the backbone of the Indian economy.
A state that seamlessly blends ancient heritage with modern vibrancy.
Maharashtra.
What are you guys doing?
This is the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, a celebration of joy and devotion that engulfs the state in a wave of festivity with grand idols of Lord Ganesha displaying faith and artistry.
Do you know that Maharashtra is well known for Lavani dance, which captures the essence of the Maharashtrian culture, known for spirited rhythm and captivating performances?
Why don't you tell us about the sightseeing places there?
The Gateway of India in Mumbai is an emblematic landmark that shows the state's colonial past and its transformation into a bustling metropolis.
अरे बहुत हुआ. अब कुछ खाना वाना भी तो खिलवाओ.
हाँ, now let us go to the local vada pav vendor.
चलते हैं.
Now, let's go to the state famous for its natural elegance and spiritual grandeur.
Huh? Which state is this?
This state is none other than West Bengal, famous for its Howrah Bridge and Hooghly River.
So many interesting things here. Let's see. What is this? Oh. What is this white ball thingy?
It's Rosgulla and Mishti Doi, bhai. They're not merely just treats, but they represent the sweetness and richness of Bengali culture.
Oh, this is interesting. Tell me more about this sweet.
Oh, I know. West Bengal is a state where cultural fervor and natural beauty resides. Creating a landscape rich in tradition and heritage, the Durga Puja stands at the heart of the Bengali culture.
Oh, I remember the Sundarbans Bengal Tiger Reserve too.
Now, I call upon people from the southeastern part of India, the state that draws millions of people towards the Venkateshwara temple.
Hello, why don't you tell us about your dance form?
In Andhra Pradesh, the classical dance form of Kuchipudi is celebrated for its expressive storytelling and graceful movements.
Did you also know Hyderabad is now a part of Telangana, but the legacy of Hyderabad's biryani continues to be the culinary treasure of both the states, known for its aromatic flavors and rich history.
We have seen so many kind of dance forms. Can't we see a few steps from our friends?
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले है आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले